नमस्कार। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत। तव कथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमंगलं श्रीमदादतं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ये भूरिदा जनाः। श्री श्री रामकृष्ण कथामृत प्रथम भाग द्वितीय खंडो दशम परिच्छेद। The first volume of the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna in Bengali, second section, and today the 10th chapter. The 10th chapter is about Surendrer Bari Norendra Prabhuti Shungi. Now, Thakur is going to spend some time with his beloved disciple Suren at his home for some time, and then there he is going to meet his beloved child Lorraine, as Sri Ramakrishna used to call him, address him. Now here what is happening on the steamer, let us see. Yesterday in our reading we have seen that Sri Ramakrishna has given a wonderful advice to the Brahmos that bhakti is the norm, is the way out in this Kali Yuga. Karma Yoga is absolutely very difficult. You can't follow the diktats of the scriptural injunctions given for performing all those duties. It is very difficult. Our lifespan is less, and we have to depend. Entire our life depends on food. It is food oriented living, for that matter, in the Kali Yuga. Not like those other yugas, the Treta Yuga or Sat Yuga, where people could go on living for years together, hundreds and hundreds of years. But in Kali Yuga now we have limitations. Okay, our lifespan has been curtailed to 100 years first of all. That also, not all of us they reach even 100 years. How many? Very few. Like one or two among the lakhs they get set themselves free from this world of illusion, delusion, Maya. Although likewise, I mean, very few reach the level of 100 years. Most of us, we are out, I mean, okay, even before 80s, 70s. So that is what Sri Ramakrishna has mentioned, that in the Kali Yuga, it is extremely difficult to perform Karma Yoga. So the best part is dedicate yourself to the lotus feet of the Lord. Just surrender. Take that position of Sharanagati. Become a devotee of the Lord. Become a devotee of the Mother. Chant the name of the Lord. And sing the glories of the Mother. And he says, he tells Brahmos, well, you are doing it anyway. I mean, you are on the right path. Although you are believers of formless God, you are on the right path. You do chant the name of the Lord. You sing the songs of Divine Mother. So uh, you are not like those Advaitists who negate the entire existence of this world and say Brahmashatya Jagat Mithya. You are not like those. No doubt you believe in, you have faith in the formless God, God without form, but you also keep on reciting the devotional songs. You chant the name of the Lord, Hari Nam you do, and all these things. So definitely for you, if you call upon him, if you call upon Mother, with a most yearning heart, व्याकुल होए डाकले ताके अवश्य पावे. That is the assurance Sri Ramakrishna has given to the Brahmo devotees. Now, let us start the 10th chapter. Jahaj कोयला घाटे eibar फिरिया आशिल. সকলে নামিবার উদ্যোগ করিতে লাগিলেন। ঘোরের বাহিরে আসিয়া দেখেন কোজাগারের পূর্ণচন্দ্র হাসিতেছে। ভাগীরথী বক্ষ কৌমুদীর লীলাভূমি হইয়াছে। জাহাজ, the steamer, has now returned to the Koila Ghat, the landing platform in Calcutta, where now all these people will get down. সকলে নামিবার উদ্যোগ করিতে লাগিলেন. All are preparing themselves to land on this platform now. Now, how is the situation outside? ঘোরের বাহিরে আসিয়া দেখেন কোজাগরের পূর্ণচন্দ্র হাসিতেছে। ভাগীরথী বক্ষ কৌমুদীর লীলাভূমি হইয়াছে. Now, as people came out from the cabin, most of the devotees were in the cabin, some were outside, fine. Now, they all started coming out on the deck of the steamer to get down. And what they see coming out of that cabin? ঘোরের বাহিরে আসিয়া দেখেন কোজাগরের পূর্ণচন্দ্র হাসিতেছেন. The full moon of that Kojagiri Purnima, it was a Purnima day, and the full moon was so brilliantly shining in the sky, so brightly shining in the sky. Purna Chandro Hashiteche. It was the full moon and the bright moonlight. Bhagirathi Bokho Kaumudir Lila Bhumi Hoyache. The bosom of the river Ganges had become a divine playground of Kaumudi. Kaumudi is the moonlight. That brilliant moonlight was dancing on the bosom of river Ganges, and it had become a divine playground for the dance of that beautiful moonlight. And the light of the stars around the moon. ঠাকুর শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণের জন্য গাড়ি আনিতে দেওয়া হইল. A carriage is called for Sri Ramakrishna. যতক্ষণ পরে মাস্টার ও দু একটি ভক্তের সহিত ঠাকুর গাড়িতে উঠিলেন. A carriage has arrived to take Sri Ramakrishna along, and in a short while he enters the carriage along with 2-3 other devotees, and they get into the carriage, into the that car. কেশবের ভ্রাতৃপুত্র নন্দলালও গাড়িতে উঠিলেন. Keshav's nephew, his brother's son Nandalal, also entered the carriage. কেশব ঠাকুরের সঙ্গে খানিকটা যাবেন. He will go a little distance in the same carriage along with Thakur, Nandalal, Sri Keshav Chandra Sen's nephew, his brother's son. So that is how now the meeting is over, that grand gala time, the merriment, the discussions with Sri Ramakrishna, it's all over, and now they are all going back to their own homes and their places. So Thakur has got down from the steamer in that beautiful moonlight of the Kojagiri Purnima, and Thakur enters the carriage. 2-3 other devotees also enter the carriage, and Keshav's nephew Nandalal also, he has to go a little distance in the same carriage with Sri Ramakrishna, a little distance ahead, so he also gets in. গাড়িতে সকলে বসিলে পর ঠাকুর জিজ্ঞাসা করিলেন, কে তিনি কে? অর্থাৎ কেশব কে? After getting into the carriage, Thakur suddenly asks, where is he? Where is he? And Sri M, he clarifies for whom Sri Ramakrishna is calling, where is he? That is for Keshav. He is Arthat Keshav. Where is Keshav? That is what Thakur is anxious about. He has got down, but he is worried about Keshav. Where is Keshav? দেখিতে দেখিতে কেশব একাকী আসিয়া উপস্থিত. And very soon Keshav comes alone there, away from the crowd, smiling, and মুখে হাসি. আসিয়া জিজ্ঞাসা করিলেন, কে কে এর সঙ্গে যাবে? So suddenly, the moment Sri Ramakrishna is anxiously asking about Keshav, where is Keshav? Where is Keshav? Keshav comes there all alone, leaving other Brahmo devotees at a distant place. He comes there with a smile on his face. He is so happy to have spent such a wonderful time with Sri Ramakrishna. He is extremely happy, and with that smile on his face, he comes there and he inquires who all are going with him. আসিয়া জিজ্ঞাসা করিলেন, কে কে এর সঙ্গে যাবে? সকলে গাড়িতে বসিলে পর কেশব ভূমিষ্ঠ হইয়া ঠাকুরের পদধূলি গ্রহণ করিলেন. This is very important, you see. After everybody has taken their seats in the carriage, now Sri Keshav, with all reverence, with all respect to Sri Ramakrishna, he touches the ground with his forehead and offers salutations to Sri Ramakrishna. Can you imagine that scene? On that landing ghat, the steamer has alighted, Thakur has got down, entered the carriage, he has taken a seat, other 2-3 devotees also have taken a seat, and hurriedly Keshav comes to him with a smiling face and offers salutations, not like this, folding the palms the way Sri M used to do it earlier. He touches the ground with his head in most reverence, in utmost respect to Sri Ramakrishna, and offers his salutation. ঠাকুরও সস্নেহে সম্ভাষণ করিয়া বিদায় দিলেন. And Thakur also on his part, his beloved disciple Keshav Chandra Sen, he also had such a wonderful time on that steamer with all these Brahmo devotees, especially with Keshav Chandra Sen and Vijay Goswami. And he, in responding to Keshav's reverential salutation by touching the ground with his forehead, Sri Ramakrishna also talks a few sweet words, goodbye words, as if taking leave from him. And that's how the carriage now starts towards their destination. So this is such a wonderful scene that we have seen today. That Thakur, I mean, finally that merriment is over. Everybody going back to their own places. A carriage has come. Thakur has sat, and finally, just when Thakur is about to leave the place, we see that most reverential salutation that Sri Keshav Chandra Sen, such a great figure in Bengal at that time, having the millions and millions of following, that Keshav Chandra Sen, putting his forehead on the ground, saluting Sri Ramakrishna and saying goodbye, good night. So that is how, and Thakur also, Shoshnehe সম্ভাষণ করিয়া বিদায় দিলেন. He also said goodbye with the most loving talk towards the end. Okay, Keshav, blessing him profusely. So that is how the meeting came to an end. So Thakur proceeding forward towards his destination, that we will read tomorrow in continuation with this 10th chapter of the second section of the first volume of Sri Ramakrishna Kathamrita. Om Namah Shri Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Jai Thakur, Jai Ma, Jai Swamiji.